it. Then what happened ate when you're planning and everything?
We're planning, you know,
Sabi
and
mo,
sabi ko, let's do it. Let's do
okay.
it. So when I left my job, kasi ako ang may pinakamagandang trabaho sa kanila eh. Di ba? Yeah. So sabi nila, are you sure that you're leaving your job? Sabi ko, yes. Sabi ko, Ma'am, I'm leaving this job because I see the potential in this business. Let's do it. So
Yeah.
I ran that from January. Nag-grand opening ang AJ Academy ng September of
Yeah.
2021.
Yeah.
Yes, of 2021. So after ng grand opening ng September, the city shuts down. So sabi nila, nakasign na kami ng lease, nakasign na kami ng everything. So parang sabi nila, ng mga co-founder ko, sabi nila, naku, yung lease natin, i-cancel natin. Sabi ko, no, let's move forward. Diba? And I'm glad we did. And I'm glad I pushed kasi it was the greatest blessing that had happened to AJ Academy. Kasi by that time, people needs to do something. Kasi lockdown eh. Anong gagawin nila? Hence, binuksan ng government noon ang online portal for learning. Kaya
Yeah.
doon naging successful ang AJ Academy. Yeah.
Ang galing ate.
And the rest is history. You know, AJ Academy had operated for 3-4 years, and then we expanded it in so many other branches of businesses, and we
Yeah.
built a conglomerate.
Yeah.
But then that conglomerate reached its potential, and nasa position na ngayon of rebranding and everything, and going our separate ways. And
Yeah.
that's how business is all about. Business can only stand the test of times kung hindi pa niya nararating kung hanggang saan talaga yung business na yan. The moment that it reached the maturity, you have to learn to let go.
Yeah.
Kasi marami pa rin nafe-fail na business owners when they know that their business has reached its potential at pinipilit pa rin nila to push it forward.
Yeah.
Where you know exactly that there's no more room for you to push it forward.
Yeah.
Yeah.